हेलो गाइस। आज इस हैंडलर्स का नाम यूट्यूब न्यू यूआरएल हैंडलर्स का नाम दिया जा रहा है। देखते हैं स्क्रीन की तरफ। Your handle is reserved. Your handle is @Artugul Ghazi. Change handler. Your additional channel URL handler.com What are handler? What is your YouTube handle? The YouTube handle is a new way for people to find and connect with you. Unlike channel name, handles are unique to each creator, making it easier for you to establish to distinct presence on YouTube. Handles and channel URL. Your new handle will become a part of your channel URL. In most cases, your personalized URL will become your handle. You can use your handle to direct people to your channel's URL will be http slash youtube.com user. These things you can with a handle get notice to short identify yourself in your unique way. People can tag you in videos creator creator 1 creator 2 creator 3 creator 4. Let other find you can YouTube handlers connect with others in the YouTube community. Frequently asked question where we will handle here. How I will know I will choose my handles. Why cannot my professional handles? इसी तरह ये हैंडल्स का यूआरएल आपके सामने दिया जा रहा है।